In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Cursor AI. Whether you're looking to update your contact information or simply switch to a new email, making these changes is a straightforward process. All you'll need is access to your email and a few minutes to complete the task. To start off, let's talk about the kind of information you'll need at hand before we proceed with sending an email. First, make sure you know the email address currently linked to your Cursor AI account. This will be crucial, as the support team uses it to identify your account and ensure that they're working with the right user. Double-check your login details if you're unsure. Next, decide on the new email address you want to use. Before moving forward, it's essential to ensure that the new email address is active and accessible, as Cursor AI will update your account information to this new address following your request. Choose a reliable email service that you regularly use to simplify any future logins or communications. Now, it's time to get into the actual process of sending an email. Open your email client, such as Gmail, Outlook, or any other service you prefer. Make sure you're sending the email from the account currently linked to Cursor AI to verify your identity and make the process seamless for the support team. Type in the recipient's email address, which is support@cursor.com. It's important to input this accurately so that your email reaches the right team who can assist you with your request. In the subject line, keep it straightforward and descriptive. Something like "Request to change account email address" should efficiently convey the purpose of your email. Moving on to the body of the email, start by clearly stating your current account email address. This piece of information acts as the starting point for the team to locate your account in their system. Following that, mention the new email address you wish to use. With this detail, the support team will understand your desired change. Before hitting the send button, take a moment to review the email for any typos or errors. It's helpful to ensure all the information is correct and clearly presented to avoid any potential confusion or delays in processing. Once you're certain everything is in order, go ahead and send the email. Afterward, keep an eye on your inbox for a reply from the Cursor AI support team. They may reach out for additional verification steps or simply to confirm that the change has been made. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully requested an email address change for your Cursor AI account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes updating your account details a smooth experience. Thanks for watching.